In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple pipelines. If you're using Close CRM, multiple pipelines are a great way to separate different sales processes instead of pushing every opportunity through the exact same set of stages. This is especially helpful if you sell different products, work with different types of customers, or have separate teams handling different deal cycles. For example, you might have pipelines for new sales, inbound sales, enterprise sales, renewals, or even industry-specific workflows like real estate. The goal is to keep everything organized so each deal follows the process that actually fits it. To get started, log into your Close account and first take a moment to decide whether you truly need multiple pipelines. A good rule is to create separate pipelines only when the workflow is genuinely different. If the process is mostly the same, it may be better to keep things simpler. Next, go to Settings, then open Statuses and Pipelines. This is where you'll create and manage the structure for each sales process. Click New Pipeline to begin creating your first one. In this example, we'll create two pipelines, inbound sales and enterprise sales. Type in inbound sales, then click Save. After that, begin adding the stages for this pipeline. Start with New Lead. This is a useful first stage for fresh opportunities that have just entered your system and haven't been reviewed yet. Then add Qualified, which is ideal for leads that match your criteria and are worth moving forward with. Next, add Demos scheduled for contacts who are ready for a product walkthrough or sales presentation. Then add Proposal Sent, which helps you track opportunities that have already received pricing or formal next steps. Finally, add Won and Lost so the pipeline has clear outcomes. These ending stages are important for accurate reporting and visibility. Once that first pipeline is complete, click New Pipeline again and rename it to Enterprise Sales. Click Save, then begin adding the stages that match a longer, more complex sales cycle. Start with Prospecting for early outreach. Add Discovery Call for initial conversations where needs are being uncovered. Then add Technical Review for deeper evaluation, followed by Executive Meeting for decision-maker alignment. After that, add Proposal, then Negotiation for deals being finalized. Finish with Closed Won and Closed Lost to clearly mark the result. As a best practice, keep your stage names clear and action-oriented, and use consistent won and lost stages across pipelines whenever possible. Make sure your team updates opportunity stages after every meaningful interaction so your reporting stays accurate. You can also use Smart Views to quickly access open deals in each pipeline and regularly review performance to spot bottlenecks and improve conversions. Using multiple pipelines effectively makes your CRM more organized, improves reporting accuracy, and helps your team manage different types of opportunities without confusion. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.